Hi everyone. I thought I'd give you a quick overview of the first chapter, just some of the quick bullet points from the online information. The early beliefs in geology were divided in two categories. You either have the catastrophism, in which they believe that all the geologic formations that you see out there are due to disasters or catastrophes. And that was came up with the James Ussher came up with that idea. And also the important thing is that they also believe that the Earth is only a few thousand years old compared to what we really know is roughly about 4.6 billion years old. Um, in this class, since this is a science class, uniformitarianism is more or less the thought that we're going to be following. In this way, it is believed that um, the formations that we see are millions and millions of years of development. It's a very slow cycle in how they're created. And as geologists or scientists, what we see now is the idea is the present is a key to the past. And when we talk about the internal structure of the Earth, there are several layers that came out, or several layers, and within those layers they have varying physical properties and also chemical properties that are different. The inner core, which is a solid material, and then the outer core that surrounds that is more liquid. If the inner core was liquid, we would have the way the spin on the Earth would be completely different, and it would be kind of wacky, so to speak. And then we have, of course, the mantle, upper mantle, and then within that, the upper mantle is even subdivided within the into different parts. We have the asthenosphere, lithosphere, and then of course the continental crust and the oceanic crust. Another thing to note is that temperature, pressure, and density will vary within the Earth's interior. Usually during a subduction zone, you'll have the more dense oceanic crust going underneath the less dense continental crust. So you'll have usually in a subduction zone that you'll see in other chapters, you'll have a subduction zone where you have the oceanic crust going below your continental crust because of the varying differences in their density. And the layering will come in to play when we look into the various rock materials or the rock types and minerals, because depending on where they are within that layer, how they're formed, their texture, the grain, the kinds of minerals that are found within the different types of rocks will depend on where they are created. And again, if you have any questions regarding the class, feel free to send me an email.